Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to comment your elements in your Canva design. So what you want to do, just simple over any one of those elements that you want to comment. Let's take this ChatGPT logo as an example. Once you click on it, you'll have a bunch of options up here. You have delete, you have duplicate, you have lock, and you also have comment. If you right click on it as well, you'll have the comment option available. You can also use a shortcut Control Alt and N, and that's going to give you the option to comment. Once you click on that, you can write the comment. So I can say this is a ChatGPT logo, right? Go ahead and type that in as my comment, and then I can just simply click and submit comment, and that's going to always be there. And as you can see the comment there. Now once you click on an element, you'll be able to see comments. You can hover over it and view the comment, and that will appear. You can always go ahead and hide it if you don't want to show those comments. You can always right click and you can hide comment, and that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.